Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie for weight gain. First, select a calorie-dense liquid base, like whole milk or a creamy plant-based option, to start building your smoothie's foundation. Next, incorporate 1 cup of your favorite fruits, such as ripe bananas or sweet mangoes, which provide natural sugars and essential vitamins. Don't forget to add healthy fats, like 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or half an avocado, for a significant calorie boost. Once your ingredients are gathered, place them into a high-speed blender. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the larger items, then gradually increase the speed to high. Continue blending for about 1 minute until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If your smoothie is too thick, add a little more liquid, perhaps 1/4 cup at a time, until it reaches your preferred consistency. To further enhance your smoothie, consider adding a protein boost with 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder or half a cup of Greek yogurt. For even more calories and fiber, mix in 2 tablespoons of rolled oats or chia seeds. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. A dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon can elevate the taste and make it more enjoyable. Your delicious, calorie-dense smoothie is now ready to enjoy. For optimal taste and nutrient absorption, it's best to consume it immediately. If you have any leftovers, simply pour them into an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Remember to give it a good shake before drinking. For more great tips and to explore other healthy living resources, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.